Are you looking to elevate your kitchen with a high-performing, stylish oven? The Kenmore front control electric range oven could be exactly what you need. Before making a purchase, we recommend you check the best price in the description below. This Kenmore electric range oven is designed with a front control setup, making it incredibly convenient for users to operate. The front control design allows you to easily adjust the settings while preparing meals, offering flexibility without having to reach over hot surfaces. Not only that, but the bright halogen light ensures that you can clearly see what you're cooking, no matter the time of day. This oven is equipped with 7 cooking power options, providing flexibility to meet various cooking needs. With settings that include delay start, keep warm, broil, self-clean, and steam clean, it can easily handle different tasks. Delay start allows you to schedule your cooking time, while the keep warm option ensures your meal stays at the perfect temperature until you're ready to serve. The broil function is great for cooking meats and vegetables, and self-clean and steam clean options make maintenance simple, keeping your oven in pristine condition with minimal effort. The True Convection system in this oven is one of its standout features. The fan and third heating element ensure that hot air circulates around the food, preheating quickly and distributing heat evenly. This results in food that is not only cooked faster but is also caramelized and browned on the outside while staying moist and tender on the inside, perfect for roasting meats or baking delicate pastries. When it comes to the cooktop, this oven offers 5 cooktop elements with multiple power settings. The 7 power options include 2 dual ring elements that allow you to adjust the wattage according to your cooking task. Whether you're boiling water, sautéing vegetables, or simmering sauces, these versatile elements can do it all. If you're looking to heat up your meals in a flash, the 2 turbo boil elements provide fast boiling, ideal for stir-frying or rapidly bringing liquids to a boil. One of the unique features of this oven is the air fry option. Using this setting with the included basket allows you to create your favorite fried foods, crispy and delicious, without needing any oil, saving you the mess and extra calories. It's perfect for healthier cooking, while still delivering the same satisfying texture you love. In conclusion, the Kenmore front control electric range oven is a standout appliance for anyone who loves to cook with convenience, efficiency, and style. Whether you're roasting, baking, boiling, or frying, this oven has you covered with its True Convection system, air fry setting, turbo boil elements, and multiple cooking options. With its durable stainless steel finish and user-friendly controls, it's a perfect addition to any kitchen. Don't forget to check the best price in the description below before making your purchase.